Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about plastic. We all are familiar with the word plastic. We are using plastic articles daily like plastic bucket, mug, etc., pencil box, etc. But now the question is, what is plastic? In this video we will discuss about the plastics. So plastics is also a polymer-like synthetic fiber. Now what is the polymer? If we connect simple units together or link together, then the polymer will be formed, and the process is known as polymerization. Now again I would like to define you. If you are taking beads, a number of beads, and arranging them in a thread, then the necklace will be formed, and the process is known as polymerization, and the necklace formed will be called polymer of that bead. In the same way, plastic is also a polymer. It is formed by interconnecting monomers. It depends on you which monomer you are using for making which type of plastic. We are going to discuss that. So the plastic is always formed by the process of polymerization. Now next is, it is obtained by the polymerization process. It may have linear or cross-linked arrangement. Whenever polymerization process is going on, monomers are arranged in a linear pattern or cross-linked pattern. It depends on you which type of plastic you are making. Next is, it is easily moldable. You can change the shape of plastic by heating it, or you can give the shape by heating and by melting it and by giving a new shape. It can be recycled. Recycled means some of the plastic are here, which whenever articles are broken, then you easily sell it to the kabadi wala. It goes to the factories and then they melt it and reshape it. That is the recycling process. Then reuse. You can also reuse the plastic articles. If the coffee mug's handle is broken, you can make a pen stand or pencil stand. Colored, you can again color it by bleaching the old color and coloring it again. Then it is melted, we discussed it, rolled into sheet or made into wires. So simply, if you have plastic articles which are broken or out of use, you sell it and it goes to the factory, and then it will be melted, recolored and made new articles. They make new articles from this older one. So they can roll that plastic into sheets, or they can make wires. Now, types of plastic. There are two types of plastic. First one is thermoplastic and second one is thermosetting plastic. Now what is thermoplastic? Plastic which gets deformed easily on heating. If you heat this plastic, it will get deformed and you can give a new shape to that plastic. Or easily you can make new articles from the older one. So this plastic is known as thermoplastic. Examples are polythene and PVC. Now polythene is a polymer of ethene molecule.
C2H4.
Ethene molecule. While PVC, polyvinyl chloride, is a polymer of vinyl chloride. So polythene is a polymer of ethene, and PVC, polyvinyl chloride, is a polymer of vinyl chloride. Now next plastic is thermosetting plastic. The plastic which when molded once, you cannot soften it by heating. अगर इस प्लास्टिक को, if you are giving it a shape, इस प्लास्टिक को अगर आपने एक बार मोल्डिंग कर दी, इसे शेप दे दिया, तो आप इसे हीट करने के बाद दोबारा सॉफ्टन नहीं कर सकते, मेल्ट नहीं कर सकते. So this type of plastic is known as thermosetting plastic. bakelite and melamine. Bakelite and melamine. These plastics are used in making dinner sets or floor tiles or your electric switches. So these are the plastics which cannot be softened by the heating. While the thermoplastic is the plastic which can be softened, which can be demolded on heating, like polythene and PVC. And as I told you, polythene is the molecule which is polymer of ethene, while PVC, polyvinyl chloride, is a molecule which is a polymer of vinyl chloride. Thank you everyone.